Okay, good morning, everyone. Um, Today we will actually be able to start doing our Science 9 course online. And so normally I will send out a weekly message on Sunday nights that will have some sort of information in there and kind of tell you what you need to do for the week. This week, I'm sorry that I didn't get this out earlier. I did not get access to this course to start putting stuff in there for you guys until yesterday. So I'm a little bit behind the game. We should be fine though as far as finishing the course. Each week I will have this video which will say about the same as is in the typed out email for you, just depending on how you want to get the information. So I hope that yesterday you got to access some of your courses and kind of started to get the swing of things, even with some of the technical issues that we had. A few tips that I want to give you guys for working, doing your schoolwork from home. First is it's okay to sleep in, but don't sleep all day. You want to get up, take a shower, eat your breakfast, change your clothes, and start your day. You can always take a nap. You should be taking breaks. So it doesn't mean that you're going to be working from 7:30 to 2 like you are when you're at school. You just don't want to wait until the afternoon because I promise you, you're not going to gain any motivation to get it done the longer you wait. Next one, it's tempting to bring your computer or your Chromebook into your bed or onto the couch, but I can promise you that you're going to get more work done if you work at a desk or a table. I know I fall into this still even. I try to work in a comfy spot. Not that my office isn't comfy here, but if I try to work from the couch, I get so distracted. Speaking of distractions, set your phone an arm's reach or more away from you. Okay, now this seems kind of silly. It's not out of sight. It's just a little too far away to reach, which means you're going to have to get up to get it. And that's going to just help you to keep it away from you and not look at it every 5 seconds. Another thing that I recommend doing is turning off all of your notifications or putting it on silent. Not just vibrate, not that flashy light thing that some of you guys have on the back, but actually silent. No notifications at all. So you're not going to know what you're missing out on, and that'll be okay because you can catch up on it once you're done. Airplane mode is even better because then those notifications can't come through if you do happen to peek over at it. Next tip, don't forget to eat something and drink lots of water and take breaks, okay? We don't want you guys getting burned out this first week. So take breaks. This shouldn't be you sitting on your computer for 12 hours a day getting your work done. It should be small amounts of work. Set a timer. That's a great way to make sure you remember to take breaks and eat stuff. Set a timer on your phone or on your Chromebook, for when you need to do these things. And lastly, do something active. There are lots of free workouts online. You can just search whatever you want to do that don't require any sort of gym equipment. So that's a great way to do something. You can also just go for a walk or a bike ride. Get outside. Even just stand up and walk around your house. You are going to have way more motivation and feel way better and not as tired if you are doing a little bit of something active each day. So hopefully those tips help you. Take them or leave them. I don't care. Just wanted to help you guys with some things that I do to help me get my stuff done when I am stuck at home here. For Science 9 this week, I want you to start by looking at that introduction assignment and introducing yourself to me if you haven't done so already. I know a few of you have already done that. Then you're going to take a minute to read and watch the videos in the Navigating the Digital Science 9 course. That is on the main page of Schoology. The typed out information is the same as the video that is at the top of that page and the same as the video that I linked here in the email. I made 2 videos to help you guys know what you're supposed to be doing. The first is called Navigating the learning plan, which is how we're going to complete all of our work. And I linked that in the email. It's also on that Navigating the Science 9 digital course. And then the second is called Navigating Google Meets, and that kind of shows you the tips and tricks of how to use Google Meets, which is how you'll get my office hours and get access to me. Email and Schoology message work as well, but Google Meets is a great way to get on and chat and get help with whatever you need. You're going to want to spend some time looking over those resources and looking over that information in the Navigating the Digital Science 9 course page, so that you know what you're expected or what is expected of you and what you should be doing for the week. Finally, once you've looked over that and you feel comfortable with what you're going to do, you're going to start working on your energy learning plan. That will be due on Friday along with a quiz, and each of those things are formative assignments. I recommend you do 1 to 2 parts of the learning plan each day. You should do them in order from top to bottom. I've given you kind of an estimated amount of time that they should take you, so you kind of know how much time you're expected to be spending on those. That will help make sure you're ready for that quiz on Friday and submitting your learning plan. As a reminder, I mentioned office hours. They're from 1 to 3 p.m. each day and can be accessed by Google Meets in either the links in this email or in the Navigating the Digital Science 9 course page. Please let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or need any help. Otherwise, I hope you all have a great week. Thanks, guys.